Hey, what's up guys? Recently Samsung has launched its next generation S series smartphone, the Galaxy S10. And I am very well known to the fact that you all might wondering about the S10. And as it is a flagship phone, most of the people can't afford it. But to experience its spectacular feel, I am here to fulfill your wish. Yes, you guessed it right. I have come with some of the high quality Samsung S10 wallpapers that will blow your mind. So this is me Vikrant, and without any further ado, let's get straight into the video.
So what you need to do is go with the link given down in the description section and it will head you to this kind of web page. Now click on that green bar and then after fetching data and mirrors, it will give you a download button which is again green in color. Click that one to download the zip file of size 78.03 MB. Now after downloading the file, extract it with the desired file managers like ES File Explorer. Now you are all done. So it has 6 high quality wallpapers of Galaxy S10 which are just amazing. So I hope you like this video, share this video as well, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Guruji Vikrant for more tech updates.